IFFI is a very prestigious event for Goa especially, and we look forward to it. Unfortunately, it has become like a avenue for corruption. Now, the ESG has requested for certain works which are required to be done, painting all the buildings, doing some cleanup and things like that.
Yeah.
Besides whatever the other crores of rupees of contracts and tenders that go out. The issue is, these have been advertised in the newspapers. These are the PWD tender documents, totally worth about 70 lakhs only for painting and cleaning. Half of these works, actually all of the tenders were supposed to be opened today. Like yesterday was the last date of submission, today was the opening date. Some of them are on the 15th. But even the ones that were supposed to be opened today and then awarded, the works have already been completed. I think Mr. Paldesai, he called you in front of us yesterday. We were in front of him, we raised the issue with him. He had no idea. Day before yesterday, we went to the PWD engineer. He had no idea. So the only person left is the chairman, who is the chief minister. If you can just call him in front of us and ask him, because there has to be some accountability. How can nobody who is in command, sitting on the chairs of authority, not have any idea about how work is being done without any tenders being even opened yet?
No, see what would happen is, if it is a PWD work, we have to get in touch with PWD to get the clarifications from them. So what you require to do is, you can give me a written application.
Ma'am, we
or
met the
something.
vice chairman yesterday.
Yeah, but have you given anything written to him?
Otherwise, you will not take any action if you
Not
not give
like
it.
that. See what happens for me also, it becomes easy. for
But you are
me
also
to-
aware of it since yesterday. We have asked that since the work is already complete, these tenders should be cancelled. Why are you wasting people's money twice over? Or is this going in somebody's pockets, ma'am?
It is, I don't want to go into this nitty-gritty. You give me your application, I'll process it, I'll make sure that you get some answers.
Application for what? I'll show
At
you
least
the
you give
evidence
something in
is you're
evidence.
sitting in a
So
building
how
that
can
is
I, no, you have to understand.
See, without your request for painting.
4 lakhs of rupees tenders. You're sitting in the building for which 4 lakhs of tenders is to be opened today, and it's already complete. Your building is already painted. Can you please let me know? You must have seen who has painted while coming in and going out. Do you have some secret entrance?
I understand. It's not secret. See, for
Ma'am, if you
us,
understand, then please
What
help
is
us
your job?
understand, because we
What
have
is
not
your job?
understood.
Your job? What is your job?
We have not
You
understood.
don't request. You don't.
You
request
cannot
the
pass the
PWD.
buck, ma'am, to the
No
PWD.
one-
You're the
no
parent
one-
department who has
no
asked for
one
these
is
works.
passing any buck.
Where
What
is
I'm
your
saying is,
where is your
whatever you
inspection
have
committee?
highlighted-
Why has your inspection committee not come here? Why don't you call the inspection committee? Let's see if the work is complete or not.
It's happening right in front of your eyes. They're asking.
How can you just
What
feign
is your
ignorance?
role? What is your role? What are you doing?
How can you just feign ignorance like this?
Who is
This is
doing
70 lakhs
ignorance?
rupees of work just on painting.
Whatever you
We are not
have
talking about the
highlighted.
crores of rupees of catering, travel, accommodation, decorations, event management. So much budget comes from the central government. This is like corruption festival of India. Then.
उनका कौन सा है? We center का budget account.
कोणाकडे नाही हो टॅक्सपेयरचे पैसे. This is the taxpayers' money.
I will tell you one thing. Please reduce your voice and talk properly.
You are doing blatant corruption, and why should we reduce our voice? It's our hard-earned money going into.
You can't just raise your voice.
किती हाती म्हणून? If we don't get answers, we'll raise our voice. We want answers.
You want answers, I will give you answers.
What is your role as a general manager here?
Whatever my role is, I am well aware of.
You have not requested to the PWD to do the painting of the structure.
Definitely, I
Have you
have
requested?
done- I have done it. So
Then-
now, if you find out some loop in that, then I.
What loopholes you want?
Ma'am, you are aware of this
अरे,
since
I will
yesterday.
check it
तुका
out.
आम्ही कसलो loophole जाय?
अरे कान.
किती उलोगांनी कसलो loophole जाय तुका?
And with the lady, I would prefer everyone to speak with very, very polite
There
manner.
is the corruption everywhere with
Okay,
lady or lady
whatever
or
each person's
minister.
view is
Everybody is
different.
corrupt.
Each person's view is different.
Ma'am,
Please don't.
You are a person of
I am
authority
telling
who
you,
is
I
accountable.
find
Don't
out, I
support
give
this
you
corrupt
the
government. You
If
may
the
be
tender is
clean
supposed to
lady.
be opened up today.
Yes.
If the tender is supposed to be opened up today, what has happened and how come the painting has been done? Just let us
That
know.
is what I am going to tell you. If you give me some time, it is not
What
possible.
time?
Ma'am, it has happened.
It's happening right in front of your eyes.
Almost
What time you want?
completed. So when you know sitting here that the tender is supposed to be opening up today and
It
painting
is-
work has
listen,
already
each
started.
department works with
As
their
a
own
main
ways.
head on the chair, isn't your responsibility
Listen, it
also
is my
to-
responsibility. I agree. There are few responsibilities. responsible and which are lined
Have
up
you
to
put
me.
in an application to PWD saying how we have done this thing?
Yeah, we will be doing that
She's
now.
saying you
I'm
should have
saying-
given something in writing, otherwise they're not going to take any
you said
action.
we will be
Now,
doing
I-
What is there to be
I'll
done?
tell you.
How come
Each-
you're not
each
interested,
line
ma'am?
department
How is
work
that-
for IFI, respectively. We don't interfere into their functionings. प्रत्येकाचा आपापला एक रोल असा जो डिफाईन्ड असा.
Consular defiance, support corruption.
Okay, ma'am, what about today's tender opening? Is that
I
being
will find it
cancelled?
out.
Is
I
that what
don't
is?
know. This is a
Ma'am, you were
PWD
aware of it
department.
yesterday. Mr. Subhash Baldesai ran away today.
It's two departments.
He knew we were coming
My
today.
tenders are, I can give you the reactions or I can give you the information. This is PWD department. It's a different department altogether.
Ma'am, I'm
I
showing you
have to get in
I'm
touch
showing
with
you the
them.
PWD contract of the building in
I
which you are sitting.
understand whatever.
How can you are aware that you have given the request to paint this building. Let's just talk about one building that you are sitting in and you're coming and going every day. Let's just talk
Work
about
is
one
still going
building.
on right now.
This is the PWD
Yeah.
tender for that building. It is supposed to be open today, but you can see with your own eyes it is complete.
You're walking in
How
and
come
walking
you're not
out.
interested? How come you're passing the buck to us saying that we didn't give anything in writing? This is ridiculous.
I am not saying that I'm not.
You started by saying that.
See, what I'm saying.
So
is
what
that
action have you taken? Mr. Subhash Baldesai called you in front of us yesterday.
Yesterday evening,
We actually
it has
didn't want to
been
meet him. We
pointed out.
wanted to meet him today to follow
He
up.
has been just pointed out
He ran away.
yesterday.
Subhash Baldesai ran away today. He knew we were coming.
तुमका कितें रिपोर्ट जाय पण हांव तुमकां फाल्यां
आमकां report-
सकाळीं सांगता.
No,
Well,
but
that's
ma'am,
very-
not
we just
that-
want to
not
tell
This is
public.
not because I have to talk to the officials who is handling that. You can't be just asking some of the other
But you are aware of it since
You are
yesterday.
aware of it. I'm just saying you're sitting in
I
this
was
chair.
aware. See, I was telling you the same thing. Each department has their own functioning. That is not my department.
Have you put in a letter saying that what is
It
happening?
was
under
just
this?
yesterday evening which we
But
have
the
But
tender is
now
today.
the
It is
painting-
important that it was supposed
I
action was
will
supposed to be
never go
taken.
into the functioning of other department. तुमच्या घरान कितें चल्लां तें हांव कशें म्हूण तोंड घालून विचारूं? म्हजें जॉब see for
But you're staying in that house. ma'am.
Listen,
Then there are
if
two
we-
round
if
up
we
things
have-
like that, at least you
If
should
we
be
have
responsible and
each-
ask for the same.
listen, if we
It is
all
seen when
different-
requested for the painting of this
different-
structure.
That's what I'm saying. If
You
someone
have
wants-
requested for the painting of your building, right? If
The
you
whole
have
work right
requested
from
it,
the
then you follow it
entrance
up.
to here, work is going on. We can't even walk from either side. So you're very aware what is happening. I'm just saying that if today is the tender opening and you are aware of it, and then today is the opening, you should have at least put in the letter first day saying that what is happening in my building and who's doing this, who's given this contract.
Every year PWD does certain works. We don't interfere into those things. We don't because
then
each
what about this
departments work in a different way. Each department has
Madam, this is
certain
not a
rules.
small-
We have
Madam,
So
given-
this
we
is
have
not like we're talking about 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. We're talking about
70
lakhs.
It is not only concerned to money.
We have-
International
And
Film
it-
Festival. All the stakeholders will come to know
Ma'am,
that
we
Goa.
इंडियन फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया इफी जे आसता ते आमचे देशाचे आनी स्पेशली गोंयकाराचे आनी पणजेकाराचे आमच्या खातीर एक व्हडलो प्रेस्टिजियस इव्हेंट. सगळे जाण उत्सुकतेन रावतात ह्या इव्हेंटा खातीर, कित्याक वर्सान एकदां पणजे आमची कितें तरी एक 10-12 दिसां खातीर बरी दिसता. गोंयाचें नांव नॅशनल आनी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलान बऱ्या कारणा खातीर प्रसिद्ध जाता आनी देशभरचे लोक ह्या फेस्टिवलाचो आनंद घेवपाक आमच्या राज्यान येता, आमच्या शहरान येता. पूण अशें दिसता की सगळ्यांक चड उत्सुकतेन रावता ते म्हळ्यार भारतीय जनता पार्टीचे राजकारणी, कित्याक तांकां आंतरराष्ट्रीय लेवलाचे भ्रश्टाचार करपाक हो ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी जाल्लो आसा. इफी जे आसा तुमकां हांव एकूच डॉक्युमेंट दाखोवंक सोदता. हांगा आमचे कडेन PWDचे टेंडर डॉक्युमेंट्स आसा एक्सटर्नल पेंटिंगाचे. सुमारे 70 लाखाचे फक्त पेंटिंगाचे कामाचे टेंडर डॉक्युमेंट्स. खरें म्हळ्यार आज ते टेंडर ओपन जावपाचे आशिल्ले, मागीर ते एवॉर्ड जातले आशिल्ले आनी 2-3 दिसां नंतर ते काम सुरू जावपाचें आशिल्लें. पूण आमी आज हांगा ESG ऑफिसान आसा. तुमी ESG पळयात, ESG एनेक्स पळयात, ओल्ड GMC पळयात. सगळे स्ट्रक्चरांचे पेंटींग ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट आसा. खंयच्या कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरान केलें, कितल्या पयशा खातीर केलें, तांची वर्क ऑर्डर खंय, कोणाक खबर ना. आमी पयर PWD एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियराक मेळपाक गेले, तो म्हणटा आपल्याक खबर ना. काल आमी सुभाष फळदेसाय जो व्हायस चॅरमॅन आसा ESGचो ताका मेळपाक गेले, तो म्हणू लागलो आपल्याक खबर ना, आपूण फायंड आवट करता. ताणें फायंड आवट करता म्हणून आमी आज परत आयले, तो धांव मारली ताणें, आज दिसपाक ना तो. म्हणून आमी हांगा GMाक मेळपाक आयले. GMान CEO आपयलो डॉक्टर तारीक थॉमस. दोगूय म्हणटा आमकां कांय खबर ना. तर हो पयसो खंयच्यान आयलो, खंय गेलो, काम कोणें केलें, कोणाक खबर ना. एक जादू कशें आमचे गोंयचे पणजेचे सगळे बिल्डिंगो पेंट जाल्ल्यो आसा आनी ताजे टेंडर आज ओपन जातले आनी ते एवॉर्ड जातले. तर हो दीस इज अ क्लियर ओपन एंड शट केस ऑफ करप्शन. हें इफी जें आसा हें आतां इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया व्हरूंक ना, हें इंटरनल फिक्सिंग फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया चल्ला. कित्याक हे सगळे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराचें फिक्सिंग चल्लां आनी लाखांनी आनी कोट्यांनी रुपयाचो ह्या इफीचो जो बजेट आसता हो कसो घेवपाचो आनी खावपाचो हाचेंच प्लॅनिंग चल्लां. सो हाचो आमी निशेध करता. आतां CEO डॉक्टर तारीक थॉमसान आमकां एक धाकटेंशें आश्वासन दिलां. तें फक्त आश्वासन भारतीय जनता पार्टीचें आनी गोंय सरकाराच्या आश्वासनान कांय वालोर नासता तें आमीय जाणा. पूण तांणी सांगलां की आपूण फाल्यांच PWD लेटर बरयतलो आनी हें कोणें पेंटींग केलें म्हणजे खरें म्हळ्यार दिस इज अ सिरियस क्रायम. एका गव्हर्मेंट प्रॉपर्टीन विदावट वर्क ऑर्डर कोण तरी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर येवन काम करून गेलो. दिस इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस क्रायम. सो हाजेर आमी तांकां इन्वेस्टिगेशन कर म्हणा आनी विदीन 24 hours वी वॉन्ट अ रिप्लाय. नाजाल्यार आमी हांगा फाल्यां परत येतले. वी वील कम अँड वी वील परस्यू इट. काल आमी PWD एक्झिक्युटीव इंजिनियराक मेळ्ळे, काल व्हायस चेअरमॅन सुभाष फळदेसायाक मेळ्ळे, आज CEOक मेळ्ळे. फाल्यां आमी चेअरमॅन मिस्टर प्रमोद सावंत, चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा, यू आर द चेअरमॅन ऑफ ESG. फाल्यां पर्यंत आमकां हाचें उत्तर जाय म्हणजे जाय नाल्यार आमी तुज्या फाल्यां घरा येतली.
Rules, regulations, procedures only for public, only for civilians, only for citizens. आणि आमच्या गव्हर्मेंटाक काय अशें लागू काय जायना. आतां आमी पळयलां दिस इज ब्लेटंट यूज ऑफ power which is which is in the hands of the government, because in spite of there being so much of work going on and आयज टेंडर 11 o'clock उक्तें करपाक जाय आशिल्लें, काम ऑलरेडी चालू आसा. ऑलमोस्ट 100% ऑफ द वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड. 70 lakhsचे काम आशिल्लें तें ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटेड. अशें कशें? आय मीन दिस इज टोटल करप्शन. कोणें कमिशन हाडलां, कोणें कितें केलां, कोणाच्या बॉल्सान कितें पयशे गेला आमी नको. बट दीस इज टोटल मिस्टेक. लोकांक सांगपाक जाय. दिस इज आय एम व्हेरी हॅपी दॅट वाल्मिकी हॅज ब्रॉट दिस टू द नोटीस ऑफ द पब्लिक. इफ इज सपोज टू बी एन इंटरनॅशनल स्टँडर्ड ऑफ फेस्टिवल which is organized in Goa, and BJP is directly misusing it so that they can make money out of it. It is a shame that we as citizens have to come here and the officer telling us that it's already work hours are over and you'll have to leave. They even call police over here. Police आपयला तेणे. आमी कोण रे? जेन्ना आमी वायट दिसता आमी वी आर कन्फ्रंटींग इट एंड तांकां कांय खबर ना. इन देयर ओन हावस, इन देयर ओन वर्क प्लेस देर इज समबडी कमिंग एंड पेंटिंग. तांकां कांय खबर ना. आय मीन दिस हॅज एवर हॅपन्ड. So thank you Valmiki for highlighting this issue, because this is a blatant use of misuse of power over here.
That means they are for every tender there is a